announcements.
WDMS News.
Today is September 16th, 2013, B-Day. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic which stands one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community.
Please be seated.
Let's find out what happened on this day in history.
He said do an announcement. Announcements that you guys do.
Right now.
Yes, right
All
now.
right. Future Educators of America Club, starting Thursday, September 26th from 3 to 4 in room 305, Ms. Miles. All students who are interested, please see Ms. Miles to get a permission slip. If you cannot come in Ms. Miles' classroom, you may place a note in her locker. Become a contributor to the Dundalk Middle School newspaper, The Owlet. Meetings are on Wednesdays in rooms 301 starting September 25th with Miss Wojcik and Miss Goldcamp.
Do one more announcement. I got it.
Student Council with Mr. Maffaletto and Miss Mullen. Join us in room 207 Wednesdays at 3. This semester's focus is hunger.
Now let's find out what happened in this day in history.
September 16th.
In 1620, 102 pilgrims set sail from England on the Mayflower, bound for America. At noon in 1893, a shot rang out. More than 100,000 people raced to win less than half that many land allotments in Oklahoma's Cherokee Strip. It was the last big land race in the U.S. Today in 1976, the Episcopal Church first allowed the ordination of women. And on this day in 1932, Mahatma Gandhi announced he would take on the British government with a hunger strike. Under British rule, the untouchables, India's most segregated people, would have separate elected officials. Gandhi believed this would further isolate them. He fasted for 6 days until the British backed down. And that's this day in history.
Today's math problem is 24 divided by 2 times the quantity of 5 plus 1. Please be sure to let your math teacher know if you can solve it. And now here's the word of the day.
The word of the day is arbitrary. Arbitrary. 4 tiny kittens stared up at Sandy, but she could keep only one of them. They were nearly identical. How would she choose? Finally, Sandy closed her eyes and arbitrarily lifted one from the basket. Again, the word of the day is arbitrary.
Now let's get a check on the weather from Jasper.
Sorry. This morning, clouds with a shower possibly in the noon, high of 73 degrees, and winds out of the north at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight's low will be 61 degrees. Now back to you guys.
Thanks, Jasper. Our club will meet after school on Thursday starting next week. See Miss Linehan in room 203 if you're interested in joining. DMS Step Team Interests Meeting will be Tuesday, September 17, 2013, immediately after school. All are welcome. See Ms. Breifel or Ms. Corsini with any questions. Now for some word of wisdom.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Isaiah Shulman with a few words of wisdom. Plato is considered one of the greatest philosophers of Western culture. In 397 BC, he founded the first university in the history of Europe. It would probably be fair to say that Plato understood a great deal about the importance of education. Listen to his words to you today. The direction in which education starts, a man will determine his future life. Today, ask yourself this: in which direction am I headed with my education? Am I studying hard? Am I doing my best? Am I preparing myself for a successful future? Then remember what Plato says. Plato. The choices you make today about your education will determine your future. With something to think about, this is Isaiah Shulman. Making it a great day or not, the choice is yours.
And here's Mr. Barish.
Morning, Dundalk Middle School. I hope everyone had a restful and relaxing weekend with family and friends and enjoyed the Ravens win and the Eagles almost win yesterday. So, want to just remind students about the importance of demonstrating outstanding attendance. Attendance does matter, and every single day the expectation is that you need to come to school to get your education. Also, it's very important that when you come to school, you're coming to school with a positive attitude, and you're able to and willing to apply yourself. And as Team DMS, we will do whatever it takes to ensure success for all of you and make sure you are prepared to be a globally competitive graduate. So let's make great decisions today and let's have a wonderful week. Thank you.
This is Jennifer
And Isaiah, reminding you to stay classy, Dundalk Middle School.